Having Google Analytics 4 or GA4 linked to your Shopify store is an essential backup that you need to put in place for your e-commerce tracking with Google Ads. So I'm going to show you the step-by-step process of connecting GA4 to your Shopify, and then I'll explain exactly what I mean by backup. Let's get started. All right, so here's the process of linking your Shopify store to Google Analytics. If you don't have an analytics account, create one now by going to analytics.google.com and then log in. If you need help with that, we have a video to walk you through it. I'll leave a link to that down in the description below. Once you're in GA4, the first step is to create a property for your store. A GA4 property is a grouping of data from a website or app in Google Analytics. On your dashboard, click Admin in the left corner and then click Create Property. You'll now need to fill in the details for your property relating to your store here. Name your property and then click Next. Now select a business category and size and then tell Google how you intend to use it. For e-commerce stores, you would generally choose Drive Online Sales. Then click Create. Next, you'll select Web because your data stream is going from your website to Google Analytics. Enter your website URL and name into the Stream Name box here. Make sure Enhanced Measurement is turned on. This allows for more data to be collected automatically on how visitors interact with your store without the need to modify your tracking code. Now click Create Stream. So now we're going to connect the property that you've just created to your store. I'm going to show you how to connect your store to GA4 by using the Google and YouTube app. By using this app, you can automatically start tracking e-commerce events in your GA4 property without any additional configuration. Log into your Shopify dashboard. If you don't have the app installed, you can find it in the Shopify App Store and add it to your website. On the app page, click Get Started to begin the connection process. Now, select the property that you just created from the drop-down menu, then click on Create. You should see a message to let you know that you've successfully set up Google Analytics 4. Now, you need to test if the property is tracking events properly. The best way to do this is to head to your website, navigate through your product catalog, and add some items to your cart, and initiate the checkout process without actually completing the checkout. Now, head over to your Google Analytics dashboard. Here, you should see some data show up. If you don't worry, it could take up to 24 hours for your data stream to start collecting information. And that's it. You've successfully connected your Shopify store to your GA4. It's important to note that, as I mentioned at the start of this video, GA4 is an important backup for your store. And that's because your Google Ads tag is actually more reliable at tracking purchase events than Google Analytics 4 in Google Ads. In my experience working with clients, what I've seen again and again is that Google Analytics only catches about 75 to 80% of the conversions that Google Ads does. And so, having this backup in place, should your ads account ever fail, you'll still be able to track crucial data. To find out more about this, check out this video. And if you found this video useful, please hit the thumbs up button and leave a comment down below.